So today we've actually got a really exciting one. We're going to be going to check out Rob's new 240Z. So he actually picked it up from, I think, up north somewhere. Took a trailer up expecting to bring a car back, and he did. And I can't wait to see it. It's gonna be sick. And let's get into it. I'll update you when we get there. Do you want to say what's up to the vlog? This is Rob.
I just made a very bad financial decision.
Or a very good one, I think, in my opinion.
Flat broke, but I'm very happy.
Nice man.
So
Congrats on that one. Now what are we looking at here?
So it is a 1973 Datsun 240Z.
Nice.
The last model before it switched over to the 260Z.
Yeah.
It is a ex-automatic car that's been fully converted, which saves me a lot of hassle.
It does, doesn't it?
Relatively rust-free. It comes with a L28. It's an X-Racing engine.
That's so cool.
Should be making, I got the dyno sheet, 220 horsepower.
That's good.
Without the Weber carbs, it was dynoed.
Yeah.
I do have 45 DOCH Webers that go on it, which should give another 30 to 40 horsepower.
Did you buy that? And then you just,
Everything is, yeah.
Nice.
So
He's already got, did you get those parts before you had the car?
No.
Okay.
I
was going to say. Yeah, nice.
I do have original fender mirrors for it though.
Yeah.
OEM Nissan. So that's
So good to go off the side. Yeah, you know. Oh, there's provision there for it, right? Oh, it's not, you're going to patch that up and then it's going to go here,
patch
right?
this up and the mirrors go about, yeah.
Yeah, sick. That's going to look cool. I think period correct, yeah.
Okay. So that's going to go on.
And how long have you been looking at the marketplace for a car like this?
2011.
2011, yeah.
Still in
Honestly,
high school.
that's crazy.
In high school, watching them go up more and more.
Yeah, honestly, there's never a better time than to just get in.
So I thought just time to
And like,
bite the bullet.
because fully complete, maybe resto modded ones are like 80k, right? Roughly, maybe over 100
the
now.
cheapest
Or
the cheapest
could be
manual
wrong.
right now is 70k.
70, yeah, okay, roughly
The
that.
cheapest auto, that's a bit,
Yeah.
about 50k.
Yeah.
So
So you got a good price. I would say it's
and they're all
decent.
with stock engines.
And would you say there's like minimal rust repairs sort of thing, or?
The only thing I've noticed, a little bit bubbling here, but maybe I sand it down and
Yeah,
don't even have to do it.
You kind of don't know until you start stripping paint, right? Like,
Yeah.
that's the thing.
I don't know. So
It doesn't look too bad. Like, considering it's what, a 70s model?
73.
73, yeah. That's like decent.
Usually here is all completely rotted.
Yeah.
All here is rotted. Usually the fenders are rotted, the dog legs are rotted, the engine is rotted, but this one is like
Yeah, that's right.
minty.
That's cool. It's a cool color too. Do you reckon you'll keep it original once you resto it to like the new paint?
Original color.
No, it's not.
No, the original color is orange.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense because I could see there was I thought it was like faded paint, but it's the orange that's showing
that's
through
the
here.
original orange.
Right, that makes sense.
So-
Yeah, because I was like, not a lot of sun would get there. I was wondering if it was rust, but it's
No, luckily that's
it's actually orange. Yeah, okay. Orange is like an interesting color. You don't see many orange these. Yeah, that's right.
But I don't like this orange though. It's a bit too dull.
Too dull. Yeah, definitely.
It's a way.
I'm sure it would be a lot different with like clear and once it's all
Oh no,
up, but it's still like it's like a brown orange, right?
The
It's got a
guy
bit more.
I bought it
brown.
off had a 1970 model with this color.
Oh, so he has two.
Yes,
Okay.
It's like 5 or 6 of them.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
So he's selling his.
At least you know that he would probably be a guy that would want a better one, like a better example to start building on. So like, you probably knew that it was a bit of a better place.
He's already bought a few prior to this.
Is this carbon or is it just unpainted?
Original. So
Oh.
the Nissan sticker
Damn.
on the inside, the part number.
That's crazy.
So unpainted original OEM bonnet.
Yeah. Wow.
So no rust, which
Yeah.
a lot of them will always.
Which is crazy because it looks weathered on the outside too. Was this sitting outside or no?
sitting in this shed, but
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe originally sitting in someone's backyard.
Yeah.
But usually all here they rot.
Yeah.
And this thing is
That's solid. That thing's heavy too, right?
everything's steel. Even the buckets, I'm surprised. I thought they were fiberglass.
That's steel as
They're
well.
all steel. Everything.
That's
is
interesting.
Steel.
Thing's a tank then.
Yeah. And it still only weighs about a ton.
That sounds clean too. Like it's actuating well. There's no rust.
Usually
Like,
they don't sit very well.
yeah, or they don't hold their own weight.
Yeah.
That seems really good.
Even like this.
Yeah, that's crazy. It doesn't want to kill you like a Skyline boot.
Oh.
Like every fucking Skyline boot.
Every time I put my head in the boot of my Skyline,
Yeah.
I have to decapitate myself.
I'm excited to hear what that sounds like. And with like a nice exhaust
He
or a
showed
custom welded. Did he show you on
Yeah.
another model?
Yeah, he has another one built on his
Sick.
race car.
That's cool. Can you go like ITBs with it? Or
yeah,
are you gonna
that's what they are.
Yeah.
RTB.
Yeah.
RTB Webbers.
Fuck yeah, that's sick.
That's why he said it made about 220 on just a normal Weber.
Yeah.
And he was going to put this on there, but he never got around to it.
That's awesome.
So he just sold it to me.
Yeah,
So,
sick. Okay.
Weber, 45 mil. It's got the trumpets.
The trumpets under the
The-
covers. My old Toyota Corolla had a 4AGE in it,
Yeah.
black top, and it had ITBs on it too. And the induction noise that happens is so
It
sick.
sounds so
It sounds so awesome.
And
Had like a nice little turn down exhaust, and yeah, I miss that thing, to be honest. I should have kept it as like a fun run around.
I love everything with induction.
Yeah,
Just that
100%.
He also gave me a manifold.
Is that unequal length or equal length? Looks unequal, which would be quite cool.
I think it was for his race car
Yeah,
originally.
that's gonna be sick.
So it's going to sound crazy.
You might need to get it redecked or something, right? Or is he?
Oh, the manifold?
Yeah, like the flat of it. It looks like it's pretty decent. Do you reckon he built it or got someone to build it?
I don't know. It looks brand new. It looks like it's never been hooked up. Yeah, inside. It's got
Yeah,
nothing in it. It's
Not
brand
too
new.
bad. Looks like it's painted though, so you will have to get that decked.
Mhm.
Just so it's like a proper flat seal.
I'm sure someone around here will do it.
Yeah, 100%.
It's not a lot of work. And it's got the
That's awesome.
5-speed box.
I love how small they are. Like it's so
know.
good. Yeah, nice.
So I'm going to clean it up, make it look a little less greasy.
Yeah.
It's all there. Box, tail shaft, engine.
Was he confident that it works? I
told
guess
me-
we'll find out.
He told me when he pulled it out of the car to restore it originally that it
Yeah.
was running.
Yeah, okay, cool. That's good.
But if not, you can put RB30 boxes in here. You can
Yeah.
put RB25 boxes.
I'm sure you can get all like new gears and stuff for it as well. Just do a rebuild.
You can rebuild it, I'm sure.
Do you need like an adapter, like bell housing for that? For adapting the, like you said, you could put different transmissions in
You
it.
can. I think they sell kits.
Oh wow, yeah,
These
sick.
cars are so popular, you can buy
I love the leather as well, the old
all
school
the. It's a bit moldy. You have to clean
Whatever you
the
call it.
checkered. thing.
checkered. Yeah,
Yeah, also got a wing for it.
no, nice. Like a duck bill. Or,
I think it's a brie wing, but I'm probably gonna buy a different one anyway.
yeah. The beauty is you can sell all these parts and recoup a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll
The
probably cover the
interesting
cost
thing
of the other part.
They don't have a strut on the other side.
Yeah, wow.
That's factory. That's a 240 thing. Apparently, the 260s, they put the second strut.
Yeah. If you wanted to replace those, you could just go aftermarket and build in your own. But
You
it
could.
seemed like that looks like, oh no, that's the interesting. It's not that heavy though, is it?
It weighs nothing.
Yeah, it's not that bad. That's cool.
The cars have survived this long without it. I'm sure.
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
No, it's awesome.
And then I've got this wing, but I feel like it's a bit too high.
The color actually looks really nice on camera.
Yeah, I know.
Like it-
In photos, it looks
Decent,
really
like
good.
clear. Like I know it needs the cut and polish, but there's probably not much clear left on it. But it still looks good.
It looks a bit matte in some spots.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. That's cool. I like how aggressively it sits up.
Yeah.
That looks really fucking sick.
The floors are nice and not rusty.
Mm.
And I got new Webers for my 1600.
Oh, nice.
So ITBs are going to be on the 1600.
How did you get those? Like, did you just have them?
He just had them. I
Yeah,
asked him
nice.
if he had any, and he's like, "Oh yeah, I found these." And
Did he throw it in to the price, or did you have to buy it on top?
I'm not quite sure.
You just ended up taking parts. Eh?
Yeah.
Is there anything like actually missing from it that you need to source or find?
Missing?
Yeah. I'm assuming there's probably wiring involved that you're gonna have to get custom made and looms and stuff. Or
It's already wired.
yeah,
It needs new seat belts,
yeah.
but apparently,
But you can universal ones.
yeah,
as
apparently
well.
from Repco, you
Yeah.
just tell them.
Yeah, nice.
The whole interior is there. Really, nothing.
It's hard to see on
missing the
camera,
radio.
but oh, okay. Yeah,
It's missing the radio.
that's all right. I think like, are you going to go period correct or just go aftermarket? Like you can, seems like you can fit a decent head unit in there.
There is one you can get. It looks like the original, but it's Bluetooth.
That's sick. That'd be
It looks
cool.
exactly like the original one.
Yeah, I think that's the play.
And then maybe
That'd be awesome.
speakers, some little bits and pieces, the handles.
Yeah, amazing.
I tried to put the window down and my handle fell somewhere into the abyss. So it's in there.
Still there. So the floor pan doesn't even look that bad
Yeah,
either.
usually they're completely
That's fine.
rusted.
Yeah.
And he told me when he bought the car, he got new rails put in.
I'm getting a bit of a close up. That's good.
So it's got brand new rails on the chassis.
Yeah, nice.
Have a look underneath. Shh. Yeah, brand new.
Oh wow.
Yep. And no rust.
So how did they do that? How did they replace rails?
I think he drilled it. That's what these holes are here.
All right. Oh, so they've re-welded the
You drill
rails.
them out.
Yeah, gotcha.
You drill them out, and then they just retap them.
So he's already started a part of the resto for you. That's so good. So you get a leg up.
which is
You need a hoist here now, I think, for this. Honestly, like, yeah, for what you need to do.
it would be really nice.
You should even like roll it out, get it up, and then do like a sandblast underneath, or like even a dry ice blast to see what you're working with as well. Might even be a play. Yeah.
So I'm just going to start sanding and hope I don't find anything.
Yeah.
I wanted to do the that like black tar stuff put underneath the body.
Yeah, the like lino, or what's it called, like Raptor liner type thing.
Yeah. Just do the wheel well. Do on.
Yeah, I think it's worth just doing it, even though it's not like OEM or whatever. It's like definitely helps protect everything, and it looks clean as fuck once you're done with it too.
That one has it. It's proved to be quite.
Oh, you did it on that?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Did you do it yourself? Or did you get someone to do it?
The guy who I bought it off started it, and then I just finished it.
Yeah.
This is my other
I love the paint on this, by the way. Like Like-
expensive nugget.
Nardo grey. Like it's such a sick color. Is that actually original paint?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
It's been repainted, but that is the original
Yeah.
code.
I forgot it was colored that too. So I thought it was more of a blue.
Oh, it's a bit bluish in there.
Yeah.
This is my.
Did you get new wheels? Have you always had those on it?
No, they've been on there since 2018.
Oh, okay. So I did see them with it last time.
You would have, yeah.
Yeah.
They
This thing's cool.
came with Bathurst globes.
Yeah, we haven't shown. I don't think I filmed last time we went for a drive. Well, you didn't drive it. We just like
It would have just been.
revving it. I think. Oh god, the interior is actually so clean in this.
So the aim is to have that one as clean as this.
Yeah, that's sick. When you first got this, what state was it in?
Body was pretty much how you see it now. So
Yeah.
I already painted it. Mechanically, it was very rough.
Yeah.
The suspension was on cut springs. The front coils were blown.
Yeah, right.
The steering rack was gone, so I had to just
So
fix
nice.
that up. So visually, it hasn't changed much besides the wheels.
Yeah.
Mechanically, it's basically got rebuilt suspension. The engine keeps breaking, so alternator replaced,
Yeah.
distributor upgrade to electronic, new cooling system, new water pump, new radiator.
So you did like pretty much everything
Pretty
you
much
could.
everything. The engine bay is new.
Yeah, it still blows me away how like clean the chromed parts are.
I still need to fix them up more,
Yeah,
but
they're so good. Go to the driver's
that's my
side.
touch.
Did you get to drive it much?
Until third cylinder went, yes.
Oh, so it's gone, third cylinder. What happened?
The valves.
Oh,
exhaust
shit.
valves went, so now,
So the engine's out,
yeah, the
covers.
head's at the shop. It's my cams and all the.
It's cool that you could keep the cam still in there, like that.
Yeah.
Are they? Oh, so it just slips in, does it, from the front?
It sits,
Yeah,
on
wow.
sits on the top, and there's
I've
brackets.
never seen mounts like that before.
Yeah, so it's single overhead, so it just literally sits in the head,
Yeah, nice.
just comes out vertical. It's just all optical stuff.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
It's a good little update.
Still in one piece, which is maybe 20 kilos away. So we're getting closer to sub 900, I guess.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, it makes me nervous that you've got them just open like that, not gonna lie.
So what?
Just the fact that the cylinders are open like that, I would cover it with some stuff just in case.
What's gonna fall into it?
You never know. You'd be surprised. Like even just like probably that wouldn't fuck with it. Surely not. The fibers from that would be fine.
I'm sure worse shit has gone inside the head at the time. I can tell because there's a little bit of pits in it. So.
Yeah, you'd want to give it a good compressed air blowout or something.
Oh no, we'll give it a clean and a vacuum before I put everything on.